Auzubillahi minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and warm welcome to all peaks of the global world. I would like to introduce myself. I am Atif Saleem but from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about Advanced English Language Test C2. Let's start topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. I am moving towards phase number 1, step number 1. Reading module. Reading is considered as one of the finest and greatest module of C2 Advanced English. You should be use some kind of collocation, vocabulary, alternative words, paraphrasing, idioms, sequences and multitasking activities. You will be attained each and everything in prolific and accomplished manner with legacy of superiority. So reading module is considered as one of the easiest module of C2 Advanced English. Perhaps I am moving towards phase number 2, step number 2, listening module. Before attempting listening module, you should be listen some kind of podcast. You should be listen cricketers interviews, hockey players interviews, football player interviews and multitasking other activities. That's why you should be achieved your desired score. Listening is a module of ideas, ideology, one word, a number, concentration, mind management system, proactive approach test. You should be achieved hale and hearty goals through listening module. I am giving you demonstration of listening modules. The examiner will ask some kinds of questions just like horse. You should be use the word ride, not drive. Horse riding, car riding. Hope you will understand each and everything, especially regarding this module. I am moving towards step number 3, phase number 3, writing module. You should be use some kind of connectors as well as fillers in writing module. The writing module should be converted into 4 or 5 bodies. You should be converted writing module in segmentation, simple body structure, complex and piece structure. Hope you will understand each and everything regarding about writing module. I am giving you demonstration about writing module. You should be read task 1 as well as task 2 carefully. You should be read task 1 and task 2 at least 2 to 3 times. So that's why you will be gain mind management system of examiner. You should be understand the level of examiner. You should be understand each and everything about essay writing, question writing and segmentation of writing task 1 as well as writing task 2. Lovely mates, I am moving towards step number 4, phase number 4, speaking module. Speaking module is a name of ideology, vision, school of thoughts, mind management system, vision, visionary school of thoughts, polymath techniques. You should be generated something special activities in this module to gain extraordinary score. For instance, your QCAT topic is friendship. You should be use these kinds of words as well as paraphrasings or idioms. Near and dear, just like a second family, sharing lot of common things, sharing heap of common things, hale and hearty, alive and kicking, polymath, dearest friend, greatest, praiseworthy personality, and so on. Hope you will enjoy my lesson. Thanks to all of you. Love you all.